This home is about ready to get its final skin. It's stucco. But before that can happen, we need to put up the scaffolding, protect all of the groundwork that's already been done, like the concrete on the patios. We need to paint all of the trim, the fascias, and the steel columns. So let's get after it. Protecting any exterior finish that you've already installed is crucial for a stucco. Stucco is a cement type material. It dries relatively quickly, just like regular concrete would. And protecting, in our case, this exterior patio was very important. So the plywood is here to protect it from any splatter of the stucco that may end up on our patio, but also from any scratches, dings, or dents that we may get from the installation process of the scaffolding. And the scaffolding is important for the guys to be able to do multiple levels of stucco on the exterior of the home at the same time. Remember, the stucco dries relatively quickly. It's applied in two different stages, the scratch coat and then your final coat. And you don't want the first coat on, let's say, the lower level to dry faster than the top. So it's crucial for the guys to be able to move around quickly. Last, the scaffolding installation is very rarely done by the same crew that actually installs the stucco. So it's two separate crews. The guys that do the scaffolding, that's all they do is scaffolding installation, and they're pros, protecting everything around. And the guys that install the stucco, well, as you can imagine, those are pros too. They get the stucco on, level, and installed really quick. Scaffolding is almost as interesting as watching paint dry, but I wanted to show you some important components of the scaffolding and installation process. You have these vertical cross members, and they come in a couple of different widths. For our build, we went with the 3-foot wide sections, but if you have a 2-story or a 3-story home, those sections might be 4 or 5 feet wide. They're secured in place with these cross members, and a cross member is exactly what it is. They just cross in the middle, and they latch into place so that when everything is installed and leveled, the guys can feel secure walking on these planks, knowing that the scaffolding is not going to fall apart. And there you have it. Stable, secure, ready to go platform for the stucco crew. And this home is ready for an incredible transformation. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Around here, we say mock it up or mess it up. We'll see you next time.